All right, guys. I know there's a million different ways you can fillet a trout, but this is my way I wanted to share with you guys. So the first thing you do is put your knife underneath this fin and come in behind this. There's a plate right here. Come in behind this plate, cut at an angle. Cut down till you hit the backbone. Then you turn your knife and run it down that backbone. Grab it right here where your cut is. Have a good hold. Hold it down to the backbone. And just follow that backbone all the way down. We like to leave the skin on, but you can turn the fillet over like this and come in with your knife after you fillet it. Just don't cut the fillet completely off, and skin it out too. But we like the skin on ours, so you do that. Now you can flip a fish over and do the same thing. Put your fingers with that gill behind it, hold it like that. Get to the thing, to your backbone. Run it on down that backbone. Just keep your knife against that backbone and you'll be fine. Cut it completely off. Yeah, we missed a little bit right here on the belly, but it ain't too much. Get rid of your guts. Now you got these two fillets that need to be boneless. So you come in here, take your knife in behind these rib bones, and you just get in behind them and come right behind them, and you can, if you get in enough into them, see now there's no ribs in that at all. So you can take this over here, get that out of your way. Now you can do the next one. Get in behind these ribs and just run your knife right underneath them ribs. You ain't losing nothing as long as you see that knife underneath them ribs. See that knife underneath that rib moving up right there? That's all I'm taking off is the ribs, and that's it. You ain't losing no meat doing this, and you're gonna have a perfect fillet when you're done with no bones in it. You ain't losing, if you're losing any, it's very little. And then you have these pin bones that run all the way up through here. I don't worry about that because you can eat those when they're cooked and you won't even tell that they're there. But that's how I do it. So y'all let me know in the comments how y'all do it. If y'all do it the same way or y'all do it a different way. Just let me know.